Hello friends, this is a working model on biodegradable waste management. Today I will show you how I made it. Its explanation of this video is uploaded on my channel. If you like the video, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel. For this we need a large cardboard, color paper, glue, straw, printout, fake plants, balls, cardboard rods which I get from aluminium foil and toilet roll. If you don't have this, you can make using soft cardboard and sellotape. The electric circuit and battery lights I have ordered from Amazon. This is cardboard rod. Now tennis ball. Cut tennis ball into half and stick it with glue and cover it with aluminium foil. Remaining half ball stick on small cardboard and stick colorful paper on it. Make small houses using small cardboard boxes. This is circuit for turbine. This is conveyor belt. If you want to know how I made it, it's uploaded on my channel. Now we assemble all things. These are street lights made from coloring straws with black acrylic colors with small LED lights. Circuit and batteries are under the cardboard. Sorry, the video clip is missing, so I can't show you. Aluminium foil was not looking good, so I stick silver paper on it. Now stick all things neatly on cardboard. You can use toothpicks to insert print cutouts on the cardboard. Half of the part is ready. This is biogas chamber. Stick all things neatly. Now our project is ready. Thank you so much friends for watching my video. Again, if you like my video, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.